Hi and welcome back to the second part of how to develop reading skills. In my previous video before we start I will give you my background. So let's go in the flashback. During childhood my parents wanted to inculcate reading habits in me, but I failed. And then the college days. Seeing my friends around into reading so much, I thought I should try my hands again. But I again failed. But hey, that's not the all. We also saw the strategies implemented by me to become a reader from an extremely non-reader category. As promised, I am here back to give you a review of the first 5 books which I have read. These books are really life-changing and inspiring. If they can change me, they can change anybody. I personally recommend that you should and you must read all these books. Please note the review is not any particular order, and if you wish to purchase any of these books, you can click in the description box. There's a link given over there. Book number 1, Chanakya and Daily Life, written by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. Here the writer inspires and guides us how to start a day, how to end it, how to make right choices in our life, what is the mantra of a good married life, how to upbring the children, how to manage finances. He has touched all the aspects of personal and professional life. He says that life is very uncertain. We all need to plan it. We need to have a roadmap for it. Because if any single step we take wrong, everything will come crashing down. Other books written by him are Chanakya and You, The Corporate Chanakya, The Chanakya 7 Secrets of Leadership, etc. I would be reading all of them and would be making summary for you guys. Thank me later, by the way. Book 2, The Top 5 Regrets of Dying, written by Bronnie Ware. This book is an eye-opener. Authors spend a lot of years working in a place where patients were admitted when they are at the dying stage, like maybe couple of weeks before, month before. So they spend the last stage of their lives before dying. So during the process, this author gathered a lot of information from these people to understand what are the major regrets they have in their life. So the common findings were, they wish they had the courage to live a life true to themselves and not the life others expected them to live. They regretted working hard and not spending time with family. They wanted to get more expressive of their feelings. They missed being in touch with friends and wanted to live more happier life. How true. When we are alive, we don't realize all these things. We are always having that rat race. We are running behind the things which will not be with us for long. And nobody talks about the materialistic gain of the life at the deathbed. They always talk about things they wanted to do and they could not do. Must read this book. Third book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen Covey. This is a business and a self-help book. Here we get the inside out perspective. Here the author talks about more of the character ethics we have rather than the personality ethics. He elaborates on the 7 effective habits we all should execute to become an effective person. Like, be proactive. Begin with the end in the mind. Put first things first. Think win-win. Seek first to understand and then to be understood. Synergize and sharpen the soul. I have already made the summary of this book. The details are given in the cards above. Please do watch that after watching this video. Book number 4, Ikigai, The Japanese Secret of Long and Happy Life, written by Hector Garcia and Francis Merle. This book is a self-help book. Here the authors talk about the Ikigai. So Ikigai basically is the reason which makes us get up or leave our bed in the morning. It is about following our passion. It is a reason of existence. Here the authors guide us how we can identify our own Ikigai and live a long and happy life, just like the people staying in Okinawa, which is in Japan. These people implement very interesting principles to live a happy life, such as stay active, don't retire. Take it slow. Don't fill your stomach. Surround yourself with good friends. Get in shape for your very next birthday. Smile. Reconnect with nature. Give thanks and live in the moment. If we cannot implement all of them, we should pick some and start implementing immediately. By the way, I have picked a few of them and I have started implementing. And it is bringing a lot of transformation in my life. You too, please try and let me know your experience in the comment section below. Book number 5, Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill. This is another self-help book, more for investors and entrepreneur types. Author had interviewed 500 businessmen during his time and made this conclusion. This book came after 20 years of his research. He came out with some common findings and made some set of rules. If we implement that, we can become rich. These principles are burning desires, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision making, power of mastermind, persistence, power of subconscious mind, sixth sense, etc. The details of the summary of this book is also given in the cards above. My journey of reading has just started and it's a long way to go because I need to cover up for all the gaps of the previous years. Whenever I will read some book, I would surely make some summary for you of it. But remember, these are just summaries. They are just like trailers. They are not very elaborative. They are just gist of the book. You should for sure read the entire book to get the real feeling and the real insights of the book. In case you want to purchase any of this book, you can click on the link given in the description box. And ensure to like, share and subscribe to Wonder HR. Thank you for supporting my community. Pick a book, start reading it. Invest time for your own growth. The more you practice, the more perfect you become.